Hello everyone. So today we will discuss pH value of many substances such as water, blood, butter, seawater, etc. So let's start. What is the full form of pH? Potential hydrogen. What is the pH value of water? 7.0. What is the pH value of human blood? 7.3 to 7.5. What is the pH value of sea water? 8.1. What is the pH value of baking soda? 8.3. What is the pH value of borax? 9.2. What is the pH value of milk of magnesia? 10.5. What is the pH value of lime water? 12.0. What is the pH value of battery acid? 1.0. What is the pH value of lemon juice? 2.2 to 2.4. What is the pH value of strawberries? 3.0 to 3.5. What is the pH value of apple juice? 2.9 to 3.3. What is the pH value of orange juice? 3.7. What is the pH value of tomatoes? 4.0 to 4.5. What is the pH value of coffee? 5.0. What is the pH value of tea? 5.5. What is the pH value of rainwater? 5.6 to 6.0. What is the pH value of urine? 6.0. What is the pH value of corn? 6.0 to 6.5. What is the pH value of butter? 6.1 to 6.4. Thank you.